And we're back to wrapping. Been rudely interrupted by the postman.
Wow, now that, Jessica, is from Nana and Auntie Sue. We're going to maybe do that later on with the big children.
From Nana? Can you say thank you, Nana?
Right, shall Mummy open it for you?
Sorry, Auntie Sue.
See what it is.
Your name's not as easily off the tongue as Nana. You're going to help?
Yeah. I'm going to wash this.
Hold on.
Wash this. Wash.
Gently,
Wash the ABCs.
There's ABCD.
There we go.
You're going to sing ABCD?
It's a big, what is it? Is it a big jigsaw? Look. With all the letters. What letter is that?
P.
No. It's the same letter as for Queen, except it says quilt.
Are you going to sing ABCD?
A, B, C.
Should we pick out another one? We'll do this one.
Would you stop interrupting her?
Sorry.
G.
Good girl.
Are you going to sing ABCD, Jessica?
What letter is that?
M.
Good
Are you
girl.
determined to thwart me?
She's not singing.
No, because you keep interrupting her.
Right, you're going to sing for Daddy?
No.
See? Lost the moment.
I don't feel like presents.
What have we got there, Jessica?
Don't shake it. Be gentle.
What's it? What's it?
Well, you've got to open it and find out.
Can I do it myself?
You can do it yourself, yeah.
Mommy, open my...
Want me to help you?
Yeah, please.
Here we go.
Yes, please.
There we go.
Is this the first inside?
It's what?
Is this the first inside?
Yes, there is a present inside.
There we go.
Wow.
Have a
Mickey.
What is it?
Mickey. Mickey.
It's a Minnie Mouse tea set. Should Mummy hand? Right, Mummy will do this bit for you.
Really well.
It's a Minnie Mouse tea set, so you've got a china tea set instead of a plastic one.
Open. You can open it.
I can open
Open it. Daddy.
Oh, look at that.
it. Like that, you can make cups of tea for everyone, can't you? And your own little teapot. Look, you see? Would you like some tea?
And a Mickey. Come on. Make some. A lid.
It's a lid for the teapot.
Yes. Make a plastic. It's plastic.
No, it's not. It's china.
Yes.
So you have to be delicate with it and not drop it on the floor.
Very good, Jessica. Do you like that? Jeez.
Jessica, and do you know what this is?
What's that?
This is a sugar bowl.
Sugar bowl.
So when you give someone their coffee, you say, would you like some sugar?
Yeah, you want some sugar, Minnie?
Thank you very much. I have some sugar in my tea.